Impacts and collisions 2010, question 5b. A smooth sphere of mass m moving with velocity 6i plus 2j collides with a smooth sphere of mass km moving with velocity 2i plus 4j on a smooth horizontal table. And we're given this diagram. Looks like this. A 2 and a 6, and this one has a 4 and a 2, and you have the masses m and km given to you on the diagram. After the collision, the spheres move in parallel directions. Well, what do we know about parallel lines? Same slopes. That's what we're going to need in this question. The coefficient of restitution between the spheres is E. Find E in terms of K and prove that K is greater than a third. Okay, let's start with the principle of conservation of momentum. M1U1 plus M2U2 is equal to M1V1 plus M2V2. So we need the V1 and the V2 for the slopes afterwards, or the tan of the angles. So my M, and we know here the I no change, or change, I change, J no change when we're along this I vector here. So M by U1, which is 6, this 6 here, plus M2, which is Km, by U2, which is this 2, is equal to mv1 plus km v2. Dividing by m and simplifying, we're going to get 6 plus 2k is equal to v1 plus k v2. So using Newton's experimental law, v1 minus v2 is equal to minus e by u1 minus u2. So we end up with v1 minus v2 is equal to minus e times my 6 minus my 2. So v1 minus v2 is equal to minus 4e. Now I have my v1 here, so I may as well change the signs of this one here. Minus v1 plus v2 is equal to 4e, and then bring that guy down to here. So I'm going to get 6 plus 2k on the right, and on the left hand side v1 plus k v2. So I'm going to get v2 plus k v2, which we'll factorize now, is equal to 4e plus 6 plus 2k. So we're going to get v2 times 1 plus k is equal to 4e plus 6 plus 2k, 2t. Where did that come from? 2k. So v2 is equal to 4e plus 6 plus 2k, all divided by 1 plus k. Using this equation here, v1 is equal to, what's v1 equal to? It's like equal to v2 minus 4e. v2 minus 4e. So I'm going to have v1 is equal to 4e plus 6 plus 2k, all divided by 1 plus k, minus 4e. If we put that over 1 and combine the fractions, we're going to get 4e plus 6 plus 2k, all over 1 plus k times 1. So we're multiplying the 1 plus k by the 4e, so we're going to have minus 4e minus 4ek. And these 4e's are going to cancel. We're going to be left with v1 being 6 plus 2k minus 4ek over k plus 1. So that's my v1 and v2. So my new velocities then are going to be, if we take a and b, a is going to be my v1, so it's going to be 6 plus 2k minus 4ek over k plus 1. That would be in the I direction, and we just jump back up. What did we have in the j direction for this one? We had this 2 here, this 2 here, and it was 4 for the second one. So that's going to be plus 2j. And for v2, well, if I just put an I here, we're going to be adding on 4j. So we're told they're parallel, so the tan of the angles or the slopes must be equal, and we know that the slope is going to be my j over my I. So we're going to have 4 over v2, just 4 over the I, is equal to 4e plus 6 plus 2k over 1 plus k is going to be equal to the 2 over the 6 plus 2k minus 4ek, also over 1 plus k, or k plus 1. So we can cancel our 1 plus k's and then cross multiply. So we're going to get 4 by this guy here. So 24 plus 8k minus 16ek is equal to 2 by this guy, 8e plus 12 plus 4k. We want the e on its own here, so if I bring the 16 to the right and everything else to the left, so 24 minus 12, that's those two, plus 8k minus 4k, just knock them off, and there's a lot of things involved in the equation, and that's equal to 8e plus 16ek. So 12 plus 4k is equal to 8e plus 16ek. We may as well divide by 4, simplify it down. 3 plus k is equal to 2e plus 4ek. That's e times 2 plus 4k. So we have e now. E is 3 plus k divided by 2 plus 4k. And we're also, what are we told? There's another part. Prove k is greater than or equal to a third. So we know e is less than or equal to 1. So if we say 3 plus k over 2 plus 4k is less than or equal to 1, I can cross multiply by 2 plus 4k to get 3 plus k less than or equal to 2 plus 4k. I'm gonna bring my, well, if I bring my 4k to the left, I'm gonna get minus 3k less than or equal to minus 1. And we know that when we multiply by minus 1, we got to reverse the inequality. So k is going to be greater than or equal to 1 over 3, which is what we were asked to show, isn't it? K is greater than or equal to 1 over 3. So that's this question finished.